In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove OneDrive Quick Access. If your File Explorer sidebar feels cluttered and you no longer want OneDrive listed under Quick Access, this quick walkthrough will show you how to unpin it safely without turning off sync or deleting any files. First, head to your desktop. If you have Windows open, Sound will almost minimize them so you can clearly see the taskbar and the system tray. Next, look to the lower right corner of your screen for the OneDrive Cloud icon. If you don't see it right away, click the small arrow to show hidden icons, then find the cloud. If you use both personal and work accounts, you might see more than one cloud. Either will work for this process depending on which one you want to adjust. Click the OneDrive icon to open its panel. This panel gives you quick access to recent activity and settings. In that panel, click Open Folder. This opens File Explorer directly to your OneDrive folder, which makes it easy to adjust how it appears in the sidebar. Inside File Explorer, focus on the left sidebar. At the top, you'll see the Quick Access section, which lists folders you've pinned or frequently use. Scroll through that section and locate the OneDrive entry that appears under Quick Access. It may show the cloud icon and could include the account type in its name. Right-click the OneDrive entry that's pinned in Quick Access. Be sure you're right-clicking the one under the Quick Access heading, not the one listed separately under your user profile or this PC. From the menu that appears, click Unpin from Quick Access. As soon as you do, OneDrive will disappear from the Quick Access section. Your files remain exactly where they are, and OneDrive continues syncing in the background. This change only cleans up the shortcut in your sidebar. If you don't see Unpin from Quick Access in the menu, OneDrive may not be pinned there, so there's nothing to remove. Also remember, this only removes the shortcut under Quick Access. Other standard OneDrive entries in the navigation pane will remain available for normal use. And that's it. You've successfully removed OneDrive from Quick Access. If you ever want it back, you can pin it again the same way by opening the OneDrive folder and choosing to pin it to Quick Access. Keeping your Quick Access tidy can make navigation faster and less distracting, especially if you work with many folders. Thanks for watching, and feel